Why is the content in the YouTube video description box critical? In this video, we'll look at how to set out particular information in the YouTube video description box to encourage engagement and improve each video's ranking capability. So welcome to this video entitled How to Make the Most of Your YouTube Video Description Box. In other words, the 7 steps to make your written video content work for you and your channel. Before we carry on, be sure to watch the video to the very end where you'll be able to find details of how to download your free PDF copy entitled How to Make the Most of Your YouTube Video Description Box. Hi, my name is Jeff Flaming from Video Cashflow, and in this video we're going to look at what should be included in your YouTube video description box to firstly help the viewer, secondly to help boost the video's YouTube ranking, and thirdly to encourage viewers to subscribe to your YouTube channel. But first, if this is your first time watching a Video Cashflow video and you like what you see, hear and read, then please subscribe and remember to click the bell icon to stop missing out on important updates. Here are the 7 main steps to take to optimize the description box. 1. Repeat the video title, which should contain your main keyword at or as near to the beginning of the video title, followed by the URL link to your website or cloaked affiliate URL link or PDF download. For example, the video title, how to make it stand out to get more views, which as you can see from the URL link there, you'll be able to find in the description box below this video. In a similar way, when optimizing the title box, only the first 140 characters in the description box will show. That's why it's so important to repeat your video title with the main keyword and URL. This also helps your YouTube SEO and elevates your video ahead of most competing listed videos. 2. It is imperative that you show good, worthwhile content in your description box, that YouTube effectively demand it. Write a few succinct paragraphs, don't waffle, but make it as natural as possible, as if talking to your best friend. You can transcribe your video and copy it into the description box, although tweak the transcription to make sure it reads correctly. And remember, YouTube is as much a social media platform as it is a search engine and video hosting site, so be social and sociable. Include your main keywords 2 or 3 times, as naturally as is possible. Basically, the paragraphs should give a clear explanation of the video's content. Plus, you want to also give the viewer the opportunity to act upon your call to action. The more natural you make this look, the less likely you come across as selling. There is a maximum of 5,000 characters to enter in the description box, so focus on quality rather than quantity. 3. At the bottom of your description box, add in the YouTube URL to your YouTube channel. This way you're giving your YouTube channel a backlink. Plus it means if anyone wants to embed your video on their blog site, it gives you another backlink. 4. Then add in 1. Your video title, 2. Your video URL, and 3. Your social media sites URLs, followed by 1. Your name or business name, i.e. Isabella Viali, 2. Title, i.e. Italian language teacher, 3. Your website URL, and 4. Your CTA, call to action, i.e. get your free tips on how to order a meal in Italian. 5. You will also want to add 2 other URLs, and you can locate them as follows. 1. Take a copy of your main keyword and paste it into the YouTube search box. Whatever video shows up at the top of the page, ignore the ads videos or the video ads. Copy the URL of that video and paste it at the bottom of your description box under your own channel URL. 2. Repeat the process by showing your title in the search box, but this time with the capital letters in the second word onwards changed to small letters. 3. If it's the same video that turns up, choose the next one. These steps help to improve the relevancy of your own video. You hang on to the coattails of the leaders. 6. If relevant, you may also want to add an authority site URL. Go to the moz.com site to find out more. Find the category on the site that is most representative of your business and use that URL as the authority site. 7. Finally, add your main keyword at the bottom so this shows as the very last item in the description box. to help you structure the layout of your description box content, here's a link that Nick Nimmin promotes to a template that you might find useful. You'll find the URL link in the description box below this video. A tip: use the video transcription to create a short article or checklist as a PDF download and add in an affiliate link on that article or checklist. You'll see a great example of this right here. Don't forget to download your free copy of How to Make the Most of Your YouTube Video Description Box. You'll find the URL link in the description box below this video. That's it. I hope you found the content of this video helpful. Thanks for watching. For more helpful video marketing and YouTube tips, please subscribe. And remember to click the bell icon to stop missing out on important updates. Just click on the red subscriber button at the bottom of this video. Until next time, bye for now.